Welcome to our channel. If you want to claim a free Amazon Prime trial to enjoy benefits like free shipping, streaming, and exclusive deals, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the Amazon website or open the Amazon app on your smartphone. Make sure you're using a device where you can complete the sign-up process. Step 2. Click on Try Prime or Start Your Free Trial button, typically found in the top navigation bar or on promotional banners throughout the site. Step 3. Sign in to your existing Amazon account, or create a new account if you don't have one. You'll need a valid email address and phone number for verification. Step 4. Enter your payment information when prompted. Amazon requires a credit or debit card to start the trial, but you won't be charged during the free trial period. Step 5. Review the trial terms, including the length of the free trial and the monthly or annual fee that will apply after the trial ends. Step 6. Click Start Your Free Trial to activate your Amazon Prime membership immediately. You'll gain instant access to all Prime benefits. Step 7. Set a reminder on your calendar for a few days before the trial ends if you want to cancel before being charged for a full membership. Step 8. To cancel anytime, go to Account Settings, select Prime Membership, and click End Trial or Cancel Membership. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.